Norway is known for its stunning landscapes, and perhaps the most iconic of these are the fjords. Fjords are long, narrow inlets of the sea that are surrounded by steep cliffs and mountains. Norway has over 1,000 fjords, each with its own unique character and beauty. Fjords are a unique geological feature that is formed by a combination of factors. They are created when glaciers carve deep valleys in the landscape, and the sea then fills these valleys as the glaciers melt. Fjords are typically found in areas where the land is rising or the sea level is falling, which causes the valleys to deepen over time. The process of fjord formation begins with the accumulation of snow in the mountains. Over time, this snow compresses into ice, which then begins to flow downhill under the force of gravity. As the glacier moves, it scrapes and erodes the landscape, carving deep valleys in the rock. When the glacier reaches the coast, it melts and retreats back into the mountains, leaving behind a deep, U-shaped valley. As the sea level rises, the valley is flooded with seawater, creating the fjord we see today. Fjords can be found all over the world, but they are most common in Norway, where the landscape is characterized by steep mountains and rugged coastline. Fjord. Located in western Norway, the Fjord is one of the most famous fjords in Norway. It is known for its steep cliffs, waterfalls, and crystal-clear water. The fjord is approximately 15 kilometers long and is home to some of the most beautiful scenery in the country. Visitors can take a boat tour of the fjord, which offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and waterfalls. Alternatively, they can hike to the top of the mountains for panoramic views of the fjord and the surrounding countryside. One of the most popular waterfalls in the Fjord is the Seven Sisters Waterfall, a series of 7 cascading falls that can be seen from the boat tour. Another popular waterfall is the Bridal Veil Waterfall, which is known for its misty spray that looks like a veil. Visitors can also explore the quaint village of Geiranger, which has several restaurants, cafes, and shops. Fjord. The Fjord is the longest and deepest fjord in Norway, stretching over 200 kilometers from the coast to the mountains. It is known for its stunning scenery, quaint villages, and rich history. The fjord is home to many small villages, including Flam, Balestrand, and Orland, each with its own unique charm. Visitors to the Fjord can take a boat tour of the fjord, which offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and glaciers. They can also hike to the top of the mountains for panoramic views of the fjord and the surrounding countryside. One of the most popular hikes is the Nigardsbreen Glacier Hike, which takes visitors up close to the glacier and offers stunning views of the surrounding scenery. The Fjord is also home to several cultural attractions, including the Stave Church, which is one of the oldest and most beautiful stave churches in Norway. Visitors can also explore the Fjord Aquarium, which showcases the marine life found in the fjord. Fjord. The Fjord is known for its beautiful orchards, which produce some of the best fruit in Norway. The fjord is approximately 179 kilometers long and is surrounded by steep mountains and waterfalls. Visitors to the Fjord can take a boat tour of the fjord, which offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside and waterfalls. They can also explore the quaint villages and towns along the fjord, including Lofthus, Ulvik, and Eidfjord. One of the most popular attractions in the Fjord is the Hardangervidda National Park, which is the largest national park in Norway. The park is home to several hiking trails, including the popular Trolltunga hike, which takes visitors to a scenic rock formation that offers stunning views of the surrounding fjord and mountains. The Fjord is also known for its cultural attractions, including the Hardanger Folk Museum, which showcases the history and culture of the area. Visitors can also explore the Hardanger Maritime Museum, which displays the history of shipping in the fjord. Fjord. Fjord is a majestic fjord located in western Norway, known for its breathtaking cliffs, crystal clear water, and the famous Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, hiking trail. The fjord is approximately 42 kilometers long and is surrounded by steep mountains that rise up to over 1,000 meters above sea level. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Norway, attracting visitors from all over the world. The Fjord is named after the light that shines on its steep cliffs, creating a dramatic and mystical atmosphere. The fjord is home to several waterfalls, including the Kjerud waterfall, which drops over 700 meters from the Kjerud plateau. Visitors can take a boat tour of the fjord, which offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains, waterfalls, and wildlife, including seals and porpoises. One of the most popular attractions in the Fjord is the Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, hiking trail. The trail is approximately 8 kilometers long and takes visitors to a scenic rock formation that offers stunning views of the fjord and the surrounding mountains. The rock formation is 604 meters above sea level, and visitors can sit on the edge of the cliff and admire the panoramic views.